Many early birds who got their hands on the Galaxy S24 before its official launch on January 31st have voiced concerns about the screen's colors not being as vibrant as expected, especially in the vivid color setting. This issue, widely discussed on platforms like Reddit, makes the S24's display seem dull compared to its predecessors, with users specifically pointing out lackluster colors in the notification area, home screen, and app drawer. Some are so disappointed that they're switching back to their older S23 Ultra, feeling it offers a better visual experience. Samsung is on the case, with reports from customer service chats suggesting that a firmware update to fix the color vibrancy issue is in the works. Although no exact timeline has been given, there's hope that the upcoming February 2024 security patch will bring the much-awaited solution. Despite this hiccup, the Galaxy S24 series still boasts many appealing features like enhanced brightness, advanced AI functionalities, camera upgrades, design improvements, and better audio quality. So, while Samsung works out the kinks with the display, there's still a lot to love about the latest Galaxy S24. Stay tuned for updates, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more info.